Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now, I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017, and the one thing that I have noticed is there's always cycles in the cryptocurrency space, and so things always come back around. We see meme coins have their cycles, right? They kind of fall off the table for a little bit, and then meme coins come back up. And then we see different narratives come back around. We see NFTs, right? NFTs get really popular. Everyone starts wondering what an NFT is. People start talking about them, talking about all these different images and what the use cases are and why people are buying them. And so we're going to see these same type of cycles happen again during this bull cycle through 2024 and into 2025. And so these are definitely something to be paying attention to moving forward. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And if you're interested in signing up for a new platform, you can check out the link underneath the video to MEXC. Now, they have over 2,400 different assets on this platform. They have a lot of the smaller cryptocurrencies that you cannot buy on the larger exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and so I definitely recommend checking it out. So you can go ahead and sign up using that link underneath the video to deposit and trade to earn up to $20,000. And so if we go ahead and take a look at Google Trends here for NFT in comparison to Bitcoin and crypto, we can see a trend that's happening here, right? And so if I move myself out of the way here, we can see that Bitcoin has always led the way. So back in 2021, we had a lot of people start searching for Bitcoin on Google Trends, right? We saw this starting to ramp up with cryptocurrencies. And then we can see NFTs always last to follow. And so we're going to see the same thing happen here during the bull run of 2024 and 2025. We can see again, Bitcoin is leading the way, especially with the ETF. We can see then cryptocurrencies are starting to pop up here. However, NFTs still not getting much interest. However, I believe that is going to change over the next 6 to 12 months. We are going to have another push on NFTs. They're going to become very popular again. There's going to be people searching for NFTs, and so this is something to be looking out for. And so let's go ahead and take a look at AlphaShares here. This is the world's first community-owned marketplace with a focus on community first. And so this means that it will always support creator royalties and projects directly. And is a one-stop shop for listing and trading NFTs. And so they do have a fee-free week this week. And so that's something to be paying attention to. If you're interested in purchasing NFTs, this may be a good platform to buy them on, since you could save a substantial amount of money. In addition to that, they're also going to be launching AlphaPups here as well. And so we're going to be digging into those in this video as well. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the most popular trending collections, right? A lot of these are some that people may have heard of, right? And so we have Bored Ape Yacht Club, Pudgy Penguins, we have CryptoPunks, right? And so a lot of these sell for a large amount of money right now, right? I mean, we're talking a floor price of 12 Ethereum. That's almost $40,000. And so let's say that you're paying a 2% fee, right? And so that's about $800 fee if you're purchasing a Bored Ape Yacht Club. And so that could be very expensive. However, with this week, with the promotion that they got going on, you could be paying 0% fees. And so that could save about $800 if you're interested in purchasing that through AlphaShares. Now, another reason that I think that NFTs will come back around here, right? Pudgy Penguins, a very popular NFT. However, Walmart listed Pudgy Penguins a few months ago. And so you can actually purchase these on Walmart's website, right? And so NFTs are definitely going to come back around. This just shows that there's some interest out there, and other NFTs might get the same attention as well moving forward. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some other NFT data here before we take a look at the AlphaPack pups that are going to be listing on April 10th. And so we can see here, as I mentioned, back during the last bull run, we saw a huge spike in NFTs. So right now, we're not seeing a huge spike yet. We're starting to see a little bit of volume. However, not to the same scale we saw in the past. And so I do expect to see this type of volume and scale here in 2024 and into 2025. However, this is going to be a little bit different. So back then, we saw a lot of NFTs being built on Ethereum. However, if we zoom in here, we can see that approximately 20 to 30% of these are now being built on Bitcoin. And so this is Bitcoin ordinals that is driving up a lot of this volume. And so definitely something to be paying attention to. And so let's go ahead here and take a look at AlphaPack pups, which minting is going to start in approximately 1 day and 20 hours. And just a reminder, they are also going to have the 0% fee promo week when these are launching. And so you will pay $100 per AlphaPack pup. Now there is some benefits to this. There is going to be GameFi and collection to the pack pups here. And so that's something I want to take a look at as well here. And so they're going to be launching these 2,222 pups on a mission to discover every corner of the blockchain. And so they're going to be launching these on 6 different chains, including Ethereum, Binance, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Polygon, and Optimism. And so what's so interesting about that is there's 3 different narratives for these NFTs. There's the play aspect, there's the earn passive income aspect, and then there's the save aspect. And so I'm going to be going over each one of these quickly here. So the play portion is, if you're interested in collecting these, there's 6 different pups on each chain, and so they all may have identical characteristics. However, they're all going to be on different chains. And so if you can find all 6 or mint them or purchase them from other people, it's almost going to be like trading and collecting NFTs. Your goal is to get 6 of all the same pups on the 6 different chains. And so just by doing that here, you will be able to burn the matching 6 for a mega wolf that gets 10x reward payout, access to whitelist, and a monthly drawing for the NFT treasury. And so there is some very massive benefits to owning all 6 pups. However, that's going to be difficult to get those just because you may own 5 of them, somebody else might own the 6th one, and they know what they have, they know that you're going to want that because you own the other 5, and they may be able to charge a massive amount of money. Now there's also wildcards that can be minted as well, which could get you to that 6th pup as well, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, we also have earn passive income as well. Now the pups are NFT traders, 50% goes to you. So the alpha pups are basically like stock traders. There will be 3 alpha pups in the AlphaShares community that will use the pup treasury to buy, sell, arbitrate, capitalize on whitelist and trends to generate money using AlphaShares marketplace. So 50% of the earned treasury growth gets distributed to each alpha pup NFT. And so there is a benefit to holding on to those there as well. And then there is the save aspect. And so if you're interested in buying a lot of NFTs, now the promotion that's going on right now is going to be ending this week. However, if you want to continue to get 0 fees, you can just hold on to 2 different pups on a specific chain. And so just by holding 2 NFTs per chain, you will get 0 transaction fees on that chain. So with these costing $100 a piece, right, there may be a huge benefit to actually owning 2 of these. And so you can see here as an example, right, other platforms, you may pay $1,200 in fees to own a Bored Ape Yacht Club right at $60,000. Now, if you own 2 of these NFTs, you'll be paying 0 fees, right? Which would be a cost savings of $1,200, where the cost to buy these or mint these right now is only going to be $200. So there's a substantial return on investment if you're planning on purchasing NFTs in the future. So definitely something to keep in mind. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts underneath the video on NFTs. Do you think that we're going to see this come back around? Do you think we'll see the trend on Google Trends to continue to increase back up like we did in 2021? I'd be interested to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.